12 was notified the helicopter is in the air.
I'm not slowing down.
Here in Dubai, just finished off the BajaKits long travel rear cantilever system. Pretty excited about that. We're here for 3 days and we're out of here.
We got Jordan Brenthel and Jonathan Brenthel from BajaKit. This is for privacy. We don't want anyone to see what's going on in there.
Why?
The guys came all the way from the US to build this special project.
We've come from the States, from Orange County, California, here at GreenAutoworks, getting the kit installed for them. They buy a lot of our products and ship them over here to Dubai and distribute them all throughout Dubai. So we're out here showing them how to do a long travel cantilever system so they can get more of them out here in the future. So what we do here is we take off all the old suspension, the complete stock suspension pivots, and put our own. This shackle here raises it about 4 inches to give you 16 inches of travel. Here we've got a rear cage that's going to support our cantilever system.
This वो पाइप है, हम चेसी में कट किया, बाद में वो चेसी का वो अंदर लगा के वेल्डिंग मारने का, इसके लिए मजबूत के लिए वो भी मजबूत था, वो जगह नहीं।
This is part of the BajaKits cantilever system here, and this will get connected to the chassis. It stays under the bed the entire time, so you still end up having full use of the bed. If you want to, a lot of people put dirt bikes back there, if you want to put any kind of things you still need, but you're able to achieve 16 inches of wheel travel so that it can keep up with the front suspension.
To fit in dual shock mount, we're gonna have dual shocks, a coilover and a bypass in the front, and that should cycle about 15 inches of wheel travel usable.
One thing about music, when it hit, you feel no pain. White folks that controls your brain. I know better than that. That's pain, man. Be ready for that. 2 soldiers headed to pack. Matter of fact, who got it? And where my army at? Rather attack and not react. Back to beats, it don't reflect on how many records get sold on sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Whether your project put on hold in the real world. These just people with ideas. They just like me and you with the smoke and cameras. Disappear again, the real world.
So far, this is our second day here, and we got the rear cantilever kit. All the fabrication's done on that, and today we got the front shock mounts done and basically all the main components on the truck. So from here on out, just finishing up with assembly. Like a glove.
Tomorrow is the last day. It's gonna be complete, except for the body. We've gotta put the one-piece fiberglass in the front and the rear bed sides.
Check 1, 2. Walks in the back, in the back, in the back, in the back. Hooks on the left, on the left, on the left, on the left. Hooks on the right, on the right, on the right, on the right. Wow, 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 what a night, what a night, what a night, what a night. Bust it out and just let your feet stomp.
We're working on full swing, 24/7.
Hooks on the left, on the left, on the left.